Finally, after 20 years, an IPO from the Tata Group stable will come to the markets. Market regulator SEBI has given its nod to Tata Tech IPO. A subsidiary of Tata Motors, Tata Technologies' much-awaited issue is an offer for sale, or as it is often referred to, an OFS. And those of you who don't know what an OFS is, don't worry, we will explain it to you in the next few seconds. Unlike an IPO, an OFS does not intend to raise fresh capital. An OFS gives existing shareholders a chance to dilute their stakes via the primary market. It basically leads to a transfer of ownership from one shareholder to another. And an OFS does not increase a company's overall market capital. Some companies even mix their IPOs with OFS to offer a partial exit to non-public equity investors and promoters. And here are some of the details that you need to know about the Tata Tech IPO. This is purely an OFS. Under this, existing shareholders will offload up to 9.57 crore of shares. This represents 23.6% of its total paid-up capital. Tata Technologies' parent company, Tata Motors, will sell 8.11 crore shares or a 20% stake in the firm. Among other stakeholders, Alpha TC Holdings will offload up to 97.16 lakh shares or 2.4%. And Tata Capital Growth Fund would offload up to 48.58 lakh shares or 1.2%. And now that you have understood what's an OFS and the details of Tata Technologies' offer for sale, if you're thinking of applying for Tata Tech IPO, what you might also want to know is that currently Tata Motors holds a 74.69% stake in the company, while Alpha TC Holdings Pte has a 7.26% stake. Tata Capital Growth Fund has a 3.60% stake in the firm. As for market sources, overall size of the offer is still to be disclosed, but the issue, as per market sources, could be worth about 4,000 crores. Out of which nearly 50% is reserved for qualified institutional buyers, 35% for retail, and 15% for non-institutional investors. Once listed, Tata Tech will join 28 listed Tata Group companies that have a combined market cap of 22.23 trillion or 22.23 lakh crore rupees. Last company from the Tata Group to go through an IPO was Tata Consultancy Services or TCS, nearly 20 years ago in 2004.